Hello everyone. So in today's class we are going to have the topic statistics. Okay. So before that you should know what is meant by a design thinking. Okay. So through design thinking concept we are going to deliver the topic statistics. Okay. Already we know the concept design thinking, right? Am I right? Yes. What are the stages? Yes. There are 5 stages. So there are 5 stages, right? The first one is what? So we need to empathize the statement, problem statement, and we need to define the statement. After that we are going to have the ideas. Then we need to make the prototype. Okay, so these are the stages. We can maximum we can cover up to third stage. Okay, so through design thinking concept, we are going to have the topic statistics. Okay.
On. Hi guys, I am Abhinav, Vidyan and Abhinesh. We are studying second year CSC in SNS College of Technology. We are here to discuss about the design thinking of statistics.
Design thinking of statistics is an empathy. Empathy is a main role. To understand your user needs, discover pain points, identify emotional connection, gain user interest. Ideation. Ideation is a brainstorm solution. Encourage creativity, generate diverse idea, and think outside the box. Iteration. Prototype solution and test the users, refine design and continuously improve the statistics of analyzing. First of all, empathy is the main role. From user interface is user interviews, contact interview to understand the user perspective, learn about the challenges and needs, survey the distribute survey to gather feedback, identify common pain points and qualify the user opinion, and observe user interaction with statistical data and identify usability issues, uncover the hidden needs.
Applying design thinking to statistics means approaching statistical problems with a user-centered, creative and interactive mindset. Here how design thinking 5 stages can be applied to statistical work. First, empathize. Goal: understand the context and the user needs. Who will use the statistical insights? Example, policymakers, business, researchers. What problems are they facing? What decisions are they trying to make? Gather qualitative and quantitative data about their challenges. Example, interview stakeholders to know what kind of insights they actually need from a data set instead of assuming. Define. Goal: clearly frame the statistical problem in terms of user needs. Turn vague requests like analyze the data into precise questions like how can I predict our customers based on usage pattern? Identify what data is used and success looks like. Example, instead of running correlations, define the goal is to build model that help customer services prioritize high-risk accounts.
Idea. Goal: generate multiple approaches to solve the problem. Explore different statistical techniques. Regression, clustering, hypothesis testing. Sketch out modes of visualization. Collaborate with domain experts to brainstorm possible interrupter or variables to example. Consider different ways to segment customer behavior by demographics, behavior or machine learning clusters. 4. Prototype. Goal: create simple version of the analysis or build dashboards, basic visualization or early versions of model. Focus on communication ideas quickly. Don't worry about comments. Use synthetic or sample data. Example, create a rough table dashboard to show stakeholder the kind of insight they might get and define based on the feedback. Test. Goal: get feedback and refine the approach. Present findings to users and see if the answers are real mistakes. Validate models with the real world or discuss. Iterate. Go back to earlier stages as needed. Example, stakeholders find your predictive model to complete. You iterate by simplifying the output into categories or scores.
Design thinking for statistics, a human-centered approach, improve your experience, empathize real-world applications, achieve meaningful research, focus on iterative problem solving, understanding the statistical concepts better. Statistics, empathy. Design thinking for statistics, the main role is an empathy, define, ideate, and iteration and test it. Next, empathy is abstracts of statistics is a lead of context, complex formula, and limited engagement. Next is a conclusion and the case studies. Conclusion case one. And explain about conclusion and case studies of statistics. Real world application is example for successful design thinking. Applied to statistical challenging and demonstrate impact. Key takeaways: design thinking includes statistical understanding, empathy drives, effective solution, iteration ensure, user satisfaction. Next step, apply design thinking to user statistical project, focus on your needs and communicate effectively.